Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time stopping by, welcome. In today's tutorial slash DIY, I will be doing a zodiac sign mug. So this one is for the Geminis, okay? I'll be using rhinestones to jazz this up, and it's a unique design that I'm sure you're going to love. All right, so stick through the process and I'll show you how this is done. I did a previous video on my review of this rhinestone kit, so you can check out the link above to get more details about this kit. Okay, so you can choose the stones whatever color you want to use with this mug. Today I'm just going to use this it's more like a multicolored stone, rhinestone, and my trusted E6000 glue. Love this glue, guys. I did another video as well on a review of the E6000 glue, so you can check that out. So first of all, I did go ahead and trace the design on the mug, right? So I did use my wax pencil to trace the design on the mug, but you can get creative and use something else if you like. And what I'm doing here is keeping my glue covered because I do realize that it will dry out quickly, and I don't want that to be the result because I do love using this glue. All right, so I did go ahead and use the glue to trace the line that I made. I didn't make it too thick because I didn't want much residue on my mug, and I always clean my mugs with alcohol before I start working. Okay, so that was done before I started recording this video. So I'm using the wax pencil to apply the stones to the area that I just added the glue. It picks up pretty easily, so it should make this process seamless for you. And it is a quick drying glue, but it's not going to dry like super quick. So you're still able to move the stones around a little bit if you realize that they're not properly aligned, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side. So I'm just gonna do it section by section. So I won't go ahead and put all the glue on it at once. I'm just gonna do sections by sections and apply the stones accordingly. Oh, so there's a treat at the end. What I will be doing as well is I will be adding the word Gemini to the bottom of the mug. I will be using my Cricut machine to add that vinyl print to this mug. Alrighty. But if you don't have a Cricut machine, or you don't have a vinyl option, I mean, you could improvise. You could probably try to do a freehand, or you could leave the Gemini sign on the mug, because of course persons who are Gemini already know their sign. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I have so many more videos that I need to get posted, guys, and you don't want to miss any of them. Unique stuff, step by step, walk you through all the way. All right, so we're at the top section of this design. Can you tell it's going through pretty quickly? You could literally get a couple of these done within an hour. All right, and remember to check out that video on the glue, the E6000 glue. I think it's perfect for these type of projects. I actually find it pretty easy to work with. And another great alternative would be the E6000 glue. The only challenge with that glue is the little opening, the nozzle on it is not as small as this one. And for safety reasons, you have to ensure that you are in a very ventilated area, because that glue is a little toxic. I don't like the smell of it, and it does tell you as well that, you know, be sure to be in a ventilated area. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up a bit, but you guys get the idea of what the steps look like to apply the rhinestone to the mug. Okay. And of course, keep something on hand so you can, you know, just clean if there are any like little spills of glue. I always keep my alcohol and a piece of paper towel close by, so I'm cleaning up as I go along. Oh, one fun thing, you can tell me which zodiac sign would you like to see me do next, and I will challenge myself to create that one for you. Yes? Okay, here we go. On to the next step. This is the final step where I apply the final print of the word Gemini. I did go off camera to create this print of the word Gemini using a glitter vinyl, and this vinyl is one of the craftable brand. I will link that in the description below so you can purchase on Amazon if you wish. You could put this word Gemini wherever, you know, is comfortable for you. I chose to put it at the bottom of the sign, and I think it sat there beautifully. Okay, so once I have this properly aligned, I'm just going to use my cute little Cricut tool sitting to the side to burnish it on, and, you know, just ensure that it stays and it will not be removed when you're like washing it, or I don't think it's dishwasher safe. First of all, it's not dishwasher safe for you to use this mug in your dishwasher. Okay, so don't put it in your dishwasher, but it's definitely safe for you to hand wash it. All right, so it's a permanent vinyl, and these rhinestones are going to be on. They're not going to go anywhere, but you can definitely hand wash, and don't throw it in that washer. Okay, so this pretty much brings us to the end of this tutorial, and thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my next videos. Bye.